It's time to cover your pool, and as you roll out your safety cover, you notice a few small holes. These can be caused by ants, mice, and many other factors including wear and tear. Depending on the size of the holes, a safety cover patch could be the simple solution. We recommend using the Yard Guard Deck Lock Patch Kit. Every kit comes equipped with 3 4-inch by 8-inch patches that are available in mesh or solid. Every kit comes with simple 4-step instructions to ensure the process is done correctly. Each patch comes pre-attached with a 3M adhesive backing. Applying to both the top and bottom of your pool cover will lead to maximum strength. Fixing pool safety cover holes is only a patch away. We offer multiple brands, colors, and styles. Our team would be happy to answer any questions that you may have, and be sure to click the product page links below. Thanks for watching.